Hey everyone, and welcome back to edritt. In this interesting lecture, we are gonna start study about Radix. Okay, we will see what is Radix and what are the different number systems available to us, the ones which are important to us, and then we will see the decimal number system in this lecture. So without wasting the time, let's start. So what is a Radix? So Radix represents basically the number of symbols which are present in any number system. Okay. So for example, let's talk about decimal number system. In decimal number system, we have total 10 symbols available. Okay. And then similarly in binary number system, we have two symbols available. In octal, we have eight symbols available. And in hexadecimal, we have in total 16 symbols available. Okay. Now this 10 symbols means it is a radix 10 number system. Radix 10 number system. Similarly, here we have two symbols means r is equal to 2. We call it as radix 2 number system. Okay. Similarly, here we have 8 symbols. So r is equal to 8. We call it as radix 8 number system. Similarly, here we have 16 symbols, which means r is equal to 16. We call it as radix 16 number system. Okay. So in any number system, the radix defines the number of available symbols. Now, this completes the definition and whatever information required for radix. Now we'll move to the decimal number system. So in decimal number system. So in decimal number system, the total 10 symbols are available, which says the radix r is equal to 10. Now, what are these 10 symbols? These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now, see an example. Let's say I'm taking 786. In this case, it has three symbols. Okay. Symbols where one symbol is 7, other is 8, another is 6. Now, for an n digit number, let's say for an n digit number, actually I'll take an example of a 3-digit number first. So a 3-digit number, how many possible combinations are there? How many possible combinations are there? Okay, how many possible combinations are there? So place 1, place 2, and place 3. What values this can take? This can take up from 0 to 9, total 10 symbols. This can take from 0 to 9, 10 symbols. This can take 0 to 9, 10 symbols. But wait a second, do you really think this can take the value 0? No, right? In decimal number system, the MSD most significant digit can't be 0. So this can take values up to 1 to 9. So here total 9 symbols are available. Here total 10 symbols are available. Here total 10 symbols are available. How many possible combinations are there? 9 into 10 raised to power 2 combinations are there. Now assume a 4-digit number. In the case of 4-digit number, again, this is from 0 to 9. This is from 0 to 9. This is from 0 to 9. And this is from 1 to 9. Now here total 9 possible combinations are there, 10 possible combinations are 10 possible combinations are 10 possible combinations are there. Simple PNZ, it can go up to 10 raised to power 3. Note here that here number of digits n were 3, here the number of digit n were 4. So can I say if I have n digit, okay, n digit number system, can I say that total possible combinations can go to 9 into 10 to the power n minus 1. Yes, right, I can say that. So this is how we decide the number of possible number combinations for an n digit number system, which is basically I'm talking about the decimal number system. So n digit decimal number system, the total possible combinations are 9 into 10 to the power n minus 1. So this is all for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Thank you.